Hi, welcome to Conversion Conversations. This is Cameron, and today I'm doing a quick unboxing and a giveaway. So in front of us, we've got the three reflectors. We also have Brunt. Triptychon is here. I'm going to record his unboxing, but that's not going to be this video. That'll be another video because I figure I can't really do a proper review of Brunt without, having him in the context of his big Papa T-Rex. So in that vein, let's go ahead and start opening some guys. I am super excited. Triptychon, if you notice that sticker in the top right of the screen, I got this guy at an Ollie's last year for like 50 bucks. Kept telling myself I'd get around to him, and there's no real reason that I haven't other than I've just been busy. Like, I love Triptychon. I'm excited about the toy. I've already got the stickers, I believe, for Triptychon and maybe Full Tilt. I should have gotten scissors. Yeesh. But yeah, I've got like this repro labels for them already. I just never found time to get around to them with everything else that's been on my plate. One more. And I figure I'll just do a quick one of the refractors. I don't need to unbox all three. And then I'll do Brunt, take a quick look at each of them, and then we'll talk about the giveaway. And actually, there's going to be two giveaways coming up. So already, just as a rough look, like, I dig Reflector a lot. These guys, basically, I was going to buy those Make Toys Masterpiece Reflectors, but if I like these guys enough, I probably won't worry about them. I like the butterfly joint. That piece seems interesting, and probably, yeah, so that comes out, so you don't have to have it on all three of your guys. Cool little shield piece. Can fit right on there. Yeah, I'm excited for these guys, and when I do the actual review of them, I'll show them off in their spaceship modes, and especially with like the shock fleet, I think that'll be really cool to look at. I'm looking forward to that. All right, now Brunt. I'm also loving the amount of purple here. Purple, it wasn't, I don't think it still is. Green's my favorite color, but for some reason, purple, I just love that on toys much more than the blue and red. I think that's why I'm a Decepticon guy over an Autobot guy. Yeah, we didn't really take a look at the instructions, and that's mostly because I found that mainline Hasbro instructions are pretty shit. I'm not worried about that. It's an interesting difference, right, in the colors there. Definitely a lot darker. But then, I'm excited about putting Brunt and breaking them up and putting them on the different Decepticons, especially Shockwave. I'll have to do, when I do the Brunt video, I'll have to armor up Shockwave even more with him. I'm hoping we get a Siege card from Brunt. I bet you in Siege Part 2 we'll get a card for Brunt here. I just love that design. I mean, this is really cool to me. It's kind of the opposite of Six Gun, right? Six Gun, we had the robot toy originally, and now I kind of want this to be like a shoulder cannon. Where can I stick? What if I flip? Ah, that's on the inside. We'll stick this here for now. I like his little claw arms. That's really neat. But yeah, whereas Six Gun, we had a robot and we got a new alt mode for it. Here, we never really had a robot before. He was just the tank. Oh, that's a... Oh, okay. So I'll have to be careful about that joint, but I kind of like that you can fake a deeper knee joint to some extent, depending on how much you're willing to extend that joint. But he's just a chunky little tank man, isn't he? Ooh, is that an app crunch? Oh, I thought Oh, it can go up, but okay. Interesting. Interesting. But yeah, so those are the two guys. I'll open the rest of them off camera and stuff. And then the next unboxing video next Thursday should be Trypticon if I'm not caught up. But let's talk giveaways. So I'm going to be getting, I decided, I'm going to be getting Siege Jetfire. With Siege Jetfire in hand, I will not be needing my current Jetfire, which is, I'll have to go back and double check, but I'm pretty sure it's either the Classics or the Henkei coloring of the Classics mold Jetfire. I'll show that in that review. I'll do a comparison video. Generally, I only keep one version of a character in my collection. Reflectors, you know, there's 3 of them, so I get 3 of them. And then Shockwave, I've got a special store in my head for Shockwave. I have a lot of exceptions, but for Jetfire, I only want one Jetfire, and the new Siege one looks like the one I want. So if anyone's looking for a Classics Jetfire, in that video, the Jetfire review video, when I get it, I will be doing a giveaway. But the giveaway I'm doing in this video, if you're interested, I have Siege Ironhide. I did a Siege Ironhide review. You can go back and look at it. In that video, you can see that my Ironhide at the time was this Prime Ironhide, or rather, instead of a Prime Ironhide, it was a Transformers, what did they call it, Adventure? Was it Adventure, or was it just the Japanese Prime, whatever they called it? It's a Takara, Arms Micron, that's it. Arms Micron Ironhide. This is like AM31 or 32. So it's Ironhide. He's still fully functioning. His head's down there. All that good stuff. He comes with his Arms Micron. If you go check out that review video, which I can link in the description below, this piece, the Arms Micron, I think he's called Iro. One of his legs, yeah, this leg is permanently fused. I snapped off the attachment. It was a mushroom peg. I snapped that off, so I super glued it. So he kind of stands peg-legged. But other than that, he's still functional, and he works super well as one of Ironhide's guns. So I'm giving this guy away. I tried selling him on eBay. I dropped the price to like $10, and still no one wanted him. So it's like, I just don't want him anymore. I don't want to give him to like a Goodwill or something where they're not going to know what to do with him. I'd rather give him to someone who will give him a good home. So if anyone wants this Ironhide, just comment in the comments below, and I'll do a little giveaway. And when I do my Trypticon unboxing video, I'll announce the winner of this Ironhide. Because he's adorable. I've loved him for a long time. He makes me happy. I only want one Ironhide in my collection, and I do like the Siege one better. But if there's anyone out there who's got like an Arms Micron collection and needs an Ironhide, or you know, just wants a cool little red truck, or just wants a Prime style Ironhide, you know, here's one for free. Just let me know, because I don't want him anymore. He's been sitting on my eBay like selling list for like a month, or whenever I put that review video out. It had to be more than a month, because the last month I spent doing Masterpiece stuff. So he's been on my shelf like for a while now. And I try and keep my collection as neat and tidy as I can, and he's no longer got a place for it. So again, just if you're a subscriber, comment down below, let me know, hey, I want that Ironhide, and I will pick out a winner next week. All right, nice and short video. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.